Today we're going to continue talking about the metric system, but instead of measuring length or distance, today we're going to talk about measuring volume or an amount. The easiest way to think about this is with liquid. So if you're cooking or in your kitchen and you're measuring, that's when you would use liters and milliliters, which is what we're going to talk about today. So a milliliter is very small and a liter is much larger. What we need to know is it takes 1,000 milliliters to equal 1 liter. And our abbreviation for milliliters is a lowercase m with a capital L, and then liter is just a capital L. Now, some examples for you. When you think of a milliliter, think about when you're taking medicine in one of those little cups, or if you've ever used like the syringe for medicine, that's usually measured in milliliters. So an amount that maybe you would put on a spoon, that's a small amount, that's milliliters. A water bottle, like the ones we have in class, those are around 1 liter, some like the ones I bring to school, the bigger water bottles. So think about when you're measuring an object that's a liquid, is it very small or is it a little bit more to decide if you should use milliliters or liters? We're gonna take a look at the book and give it a shot. All right, we are looking at 271, and we said that today we're talking about measuring volume or liquid, and we have a liter, which we abbreviate with L, and then we have the milliliter, which is with a lowercase m and a capital L. Now we need to pay attention. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So we said we're thinking of very small amounts in milliliters. So like I said, if you've ever taken medicine before in those little cups or in a syringe like this is milliliters. A water bottle is about 1 liter, and then a bathtub is about 150. So the first problems on here, we are just marking the better measurement to use. The first one's just the unit, and then these, it wants you to estimate, it gives you the actual unit. And remember, think of the real object in real life. The chart at the bottom is just the same as the charts we had yesterday. And then if you flip over to the back, same thing for these, and then these, the same with the chart. So remember, think about this being 100, then another 100. And if you need to, you can also think in multiplication. The time to review at the bottom, it says match each term with the measurement tool. So you can just draw lines to tell me which one is measuring a liter or a meter, and then it says length and capacity. Capacity is the same as volume, so don't be confused when you hear a different vocab word. Those mean the same thing. If you have any questions, let me know.